guys, welcome back. Today we're doing 3 looks, 1 palette using the brand new e.l.f. Cosmetics, the new Classics eyeshadow palette. If you guys missed my review, swatches, thoughts, and also comparing it to the Opposites Attract palette, definitely check that video. It should be already up. I'll link it down below in the description box. I really wanted to do a 3 looks, 1 palette with this particular one, just because it looks like something kind of neutral, boring, like, what can you do with this palette, Jess? Well, I'm going to show you 3 completely different looks. This is one of them right here, really grungy, kind of mauve-y, dusty purple. I don't even know what to call this, like a halo eye. It's kind of like a halo eye. So this is one of the looks, and I have 2 more to show you guys. So if you want to see how I did 3 complete eyeshadow looks using this palette, new from e.l.f., then keep on watching. As always, the products will be listed down below. If you guys like this sort of 3 looks, 1 palette series that I could definitely start doing, let me know what other eyeshadow palettes you want to see next. So that is everything. I hope you guys will like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed these 3 looks featuring the new Classics palette. Let's get into the tutorials.
Alright, let's get started with look number 1. I already primed my eyes with the Essence eyeshadow primer and set that with the HD powder from e.l.f. We're going to start off with Truffle, and I'm going to apply this with a fluffy blending brush into the crease and slowly build this up as my transition shade. And then I'm going into Darling, and I'm going to slowly deepen up that crease and outer V, really warm things up, blending it really well. I'm just going back with that other brush with the remaining product and blending further. And I'm just going to take Truffle and that same shade and blend that on the lower lash line just to make everything nice and cohesive. And now I'm taking Earth, which is a really nice matte dark brown, and I'm going to darken up the outer V and just kind of smudge that on the lower lash line as well. And then once again going through and blending. Now I'm taking Uptown and I'm applying this all over to the lid, and I thought I would go ahead and layer a shimmer over top. I'm taking Rose Gold, layer it over top, and I think that these shadows really layer nicely over top of each other, so you can really create some interesting looks. And to highlight the inner corner, I'm using Gilded, which is this beautiful intense green gold shade. It's one of my favorites in the palette. And then to finish off this look, I'm going to apply a bright blue liner to my waterline. And then I'm going back with Earth on a flat liner brush just to darken up the lashes right next to the blue. And then I'm going to take Creme and highlight my brow bone. It's a perfect cream shade. I'm just doing a thin liner. I'm using the e.l.f. Precision Liquid Liner. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes. These are from Salon Perfect. And for lips, I'm wearing I Am Enough matte lipstick from Real Hair Cosmetics and the e.l.f. Plumping Lip Gloss in Champagne Glow. And that is it for look number 1. I love how this look turned out, really fun, and that pop of blue I think adds just a different element. Alright, moving on to look number 2. Once again, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Essence eyeshadow primer and set that. And I'm going to start off with Charmer. This is one of my favorite shades in the palette, so I'm going to start off by lightly applying this all over the crease. And as you slowly build this shade up, it turns into this beautiful, warm, dusty, rosy mauve shade, which I am so in love with. And then I'm going to take the same color and blend that onto the lower lash line and connect it up into the crease, so everything is nice and blended. And I decided to turn this into a halo eye, so I'm applying it to the inner corner and outer corner, but leaving the center of the eye bare. And then I'm going into this darker shade here, I believe it's called Dark Cherry. And I'm going to darken up the inner and outer corners, avoiding the crease, because again, we're doing more of a halo eye. Doing the same thing on the lower lashes. And then just going back through and making sure everything's nice and blended. I'm taking that same eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to highlight the center of my lid because we're going to apply a shimmery shade over top, blending the edges. And I'm taking Cosmo, which is a really pretty soft shimmery pink, and just applying that over top to will add a really nice pop of highlight. Again, making sure to blend the edges as always, and doing the same thing on the lower lash line. I'm taking Glamour and I'm going to highlight the inner corner with that, and you definitely have to build this shade up. I probably should have applied it wet, and it would have been a little bit more intense. Doing a nude liner in the waterline for this look. And then I'm going to take Blanc, which is a really pretty shimmery white, and I'm going to highlight the brow bone. To finish it off, I decided to take Noir and darken things up a little bit more last minute. Totally optional. And we're going to do a wing again. Or no, this look, I am going to do a wing. And I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, which is my favorite. And I'm just going to pop on some wings. And we're going to line the upper waterline with black, so it's nice and dark and smoky. And of course, some mascara and false lashes. And for the lipstick, I went with the e.l.f. matte lip color in Tea Rose, which you guys know is one of my favorites. So that completes look number 2. Really grungy, mauvey halo eye. I am so in love with this look. Alright, you guys, last but not least, look number 3. For this look, I went ahead and used my concealer from Too Faced Cosmetics to prime the eyes, and we're going to take Uptown and put it in the crease. Don't be afraid to use this shade in the crease. There is a little bit of shimmer to it, but honestly it looks pretty matte once you blend it out. So I'm just building that up in the crease. I'm going to highlight again with the cream shade on the brow bone, and taking Muse, and we're going to start building this up in the outer corner. I'm just placing the color where I want it, and then we're going to blend it out. It gives it this really nice smoky eye look. And this color is so pretty. It's like a warm cherry. It has a little bit of like a purple tone to it. It's such a beautiful color. So now I'm taking Uptown again and applying that to the lower lash line. And then going back through with that dark shade Muse once again, just to darken things up. And I'm also going to apply that to the lower lashes with a flat liner brush. And just really smoke that out and blend it very well. And then I am going to take Noir and do the same exact thing, really make it nice and smoky. And then to make it even more smoky, we're going to add a black liner to the upper and lower waterline. I'm taking Opulent and I'm going to apply this to the outer half of my lid, blend that really well. And then I'm taking Gilded, which is one of my favorite shades. Oh my god, you guys. All I did was apply this wet with a setting spray. You can use any setting spray you want. And this is so pretty. I think this is my favorite look out of all 3. I'm taking Platinum to highlight the inner corner. And then to finish things off, I decided to take Blanc and layer that over top because I really wanted that inner corner to pop. Once again, I did liner and mascara and lashes off camera. And to finish off this look, I'm wearing the Give Me Glow Cosmetics lipstick in Cinnamon Bun. So that is look number 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below which look is your favorite, 1, 2, or 3. I think number 3 is my personal favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!